Welcome to kalyanias.com. In today's session, first we discuss regarding India's indigenously developed air droppable containers. What do you mean by this? Number one, we have developed indigenously. But what is the meaning of this air droppable containers? You know what are the ships? Ships sail through. When they are away from the coast, if they require any speeds, if they require any other service, how do you reach them? So it's really a very difficult task. Now we have developed a mechanism where they can be dropped. That is called air droppable containers. Through these containers, the required items can be given to the ship that is which is 2000 kilometers away from the coast. So this is really a wonderful one, and most wonderful one is that India has developed this indigenously. Regarding that, I am going to show you the information, and we'll also see what is the name of that. Look at the document. Look at the document. What is the name of India's first indigenously developed air droppable container? Sahayak NG, Sahayak KG, Sahayak L11 or Sahayak M23. Very important one. Look at the question very closely, then we'll go ahead. So Sahayak NG, Sahayak KG or Sahayak L11 or Sahayak M23. And the correct answer is option A. This is Sahayak NG. Look at the points that are related to this. Sahayak NG is an air droppable container. It was tested successfully by the Defense Ministry. It is the first indigenously developed air droppable container. Kindly see here, when I say it is Defense Ministry, it is a DRDO that comes into the picture. And this one is aided by GPS. It can carry a payload of up to 50 kg and can be dropped from a heavy aircraft. So this is a container. This can be droppable from a heavy aircraft. 2 labs of the DRDO and private company Avantel were involved in its design and development. So this is another important point. Look at this other points. Sahayak containers will enhance operational logistics capability of Indian Navy and will provide the wherewithal to supply spares and stores to the ships which are deployed more than 2000 kilometers from coast. This is the advantage. You can reach over there. This will reduce the requirement of the ships to close coast for collecting spares and stores, thereby increasing the deployment duration. So they can be there in the waters for a long period of time. They need not come to the coastal region for the purpose of these spares. These cylindrical containers are indigenously developed by Naval Science and Technological Laboratory and Aeronautical Development Establishment of DRDO, meaning this is developed by the DRDO. Very important aspect.